Alright, good day everyone. I'm gonna teach you paano ba i-configure yung high ready, low ready na automatically nagtataas ng baril, no? Kapag lumalapit tayo sa mga walls or something, obstacles. This is a bit buggy since nangyayari to usually kapag may mga bushes na na-treat as walls. Take a look at this, knockout kasi yung akin. So, paano i-off yun? Escape, options, add-on options, go to you're gonna see it as client kasi, no? So, you should go to client kayo, ha? Kapag in-game na. Pero yun, client, hanapin nyo si tactical position ready options. So, click nyo tong uncheck nyo to. Uncheck nyo yan. And then, automatic shoulder ready. Just uncheck it. Then, tactical weapon swap option, okay na yan. We also have, I think, ito lang naman yung problema natin. No? So, na-encounter nyo din yung times na kapag nagla-letter T kayo, no, is, nangyayari is, nag-ano yan, nagpo-pull up, no, ng barrel. So, let me just look for it dito. Okay na to. So, okay na natin to. Go to controls. Then, hanapin nyo configure add-ons. Then, tactical position ready. So, eto, tinanggal ko to, no? Yung mga key na to. Kasi, usually T to. And then, control T yan. Pero, ang gawin natin, delete natin siya. Reduce, delete. And then, okay. So, mawala na yan. So, solve na natin issue sa tactical ready. Okay?